Behold, the fiddliest thing you are ever likely to do with your fingers related to building an escape puzzle game. This is a paint pot. So you've got the two paint top and bottom circles there underneath. I've used black MDF, but you can cover them in foil if you want, or use a silver pen, whatever. I've curved round the paint pot there, and now I'm putting glue around the rim of the top and the bottom, these discs. This little cheat technique. Do it once or twice. One is going to sit at the top and one at the bottom. Now this is where you really do need a friend's hands here. It is very, very fiddly indeed. Don't worry too much if it goes wrong first time. You really want to get the glue in around the rim, and it doesn't matter if it slides on the paper at all. That's not a problem. Just going to do this off screen for discretion reasons. The paint pot is very, very shy indeed. So I've got it around the rim there. There's a lot of overlap. I'll pop it down, and now I'm going to use this stick, which you'll also find is in your kit, and is curtain poles and paintbrushes and all sorts of bits and pieces. I'm using, of course, the rubber clothes pegs to hold it in place. Put a little bit more glue on this because it came off. Pop that carefully on top. Again, I'm going to do this off screen. It's very shy, very, very fiddly to do. You can use another clothes peg. You can get another person to help you out. You can glue them one at a time if you feel that that's a useful way of facilitating this. I'm going to be using the stick to gently just ease it up. You'll notice that I didn't put the clothes peg on the fold straight away. It's just so I could adjust that. Clothes peg now goes on, in place. I'll leave that, and I'm going to use my scalpel knife just to ease some glue under that flap. You can see that it slides under, put the glue in place, and then push down with my finger. It'll dry quite quickly because it's paper to paper. Leave the rest, because it's wood to paper, to dry. Now my clips are on that fold. Leave to dry.